Is tracking coronavirus cases across the state. Ryan.
Yeah, and Carolina, most of our data is still looking solid, but we did have another day with an alarming number of deaths reported. We're going to show you that chart in just a second. But first, I want to start with cases. We have started to see a little bit of an increase the past 3 days, 2,500 new cases today, but Florida still has seen a 20% drop in COVID positives over the last 2 weeks. So that is definitely a positive sign. As for our positivity rate, it's still not where it needs to be, but flirting with that 5% benchmark the WHO says we need to be at. Today was 5.5%. The last 2 weeks, we've ranged from 4.5% to 6.6%. We did get 51,000 tests back today. That is an increase from the past few days. Locally, we've seen some counties actually jump up a tad bit. Sarasota, Pinellas, and Manatee continue to lead the way with Pasco right behind them. But Citrus, Hernando noticeably saw a spike in their infection rate today. They and Hillsborough are still above the state average of 5.4%. Now, I mentioned deaths earlier. We've now had back-to-back days of more than 200 deaths reported. Yesterday was 202. Today was 213. August 14th and August 15th was the last time we saw 2 days in a row over 200. Our moving average is now back in the triple digits for deaths per day. But we are seeing even better news with our Florida hospitals, so that's good. There are now under 3,000 patients being currently treated for COVID for the first time since we first got this data on July 10th, 557 of which are currently getting care in Tampa Bay. Most county hospitals, by the way, have been dropping, with the exception of those in Pinellas. We'll continue to watch that trend for you. And by the way,